Well, I'm here. Going to town on that thing. They sell Kim Kardashian skidders here. First time I've ever driven this thing. A dog or wolf? She's pretty faded and oxidized. Must have been eating Cheetos. Brother Jeff jumped in and helped sand. This is the machine he used to run. Oh, it's been a good morning so far. Battery was dead in the air compressor. That had a bunch of wet sand in it. So, might be ready for blasting a little bit. I'm going to try to blast this floater somewhat. This is my test blasting. The pipe definitely needed some blasting and underneath the pipe. So, do a little before. See what it kind of looks like. I don't mind blasting that. So it's been somewhat sanded, except for like that. That hasn't been sanded. It's looking a little rough. Could use some TLC. Looks really rough underneath the boom. Cylinders could use a little paint. Those kind of areas could use a little help. I'm putting new shield in the helmet so I can see. Yeah, gonna deal with that. Okay, I blasted a lot more and I blew it off and I'm starting to tape. Took some lights out, but you can see I blasted the cylinders. Before. Well, I thought I was taking a hyperlapse, but I wasn't. Well, she's orange. Let's get over in the sun. I only did part of the stick boom, jib boom, whatever you want to call it. Tried to do the top of the boom so the dew wouldn't rust it tonight. You see that? This loader used to be beautiful orange. Beautiful. I wish it was still that color. Can't even tell. Oh, this is a Sur 30. Man, that was a pretty color. I just can't believe, well, I can believe, I wish it would have stayed that color. The paint would have held its color. It'll save me a lot of work. But I absolutely love that color. It's beautiful. So I sanded off any kind of residue and scuffed her up so the next paint will stick. I can find it. It's you know where the drill bits are? Yep. That little blue thing by the drill doctor, that area. Okay. Either that or it's going to be in the back seat of my pickup in that tote. Kind of windy out here. Got to paint a little closer than I want. Put it through this handle. Probably enough of this, huh? I put a light coat on this side. Still can see the Serco there. Yeah, Bill, I'm talking to myself. I do it all the time. Well, it's getting late here on a Friday. And I want to get some kind of a covering on this. So the sandblasted paint. Steel. Yeah, I just made a run. Quit looking through your phone and just, you know, maybe just quit recording. Another run. Holy, this is thin. Look at that stuff. See that? The sun is shining off it just right, so it looks like it has a nice shine to it while it's still wet. So I gotta take a little video. Well, the sun is almost set here on a Friday evening. I think I can call it a day. It's definitely orange. Oranger. Man, I still can't get over what color it used to be. So when you swing the upper structure, housing, whatever you want to call it, loader around, when these outrigger legs are up in transport position, you scratch and dent the back of the machine. So I'm going to take a grinder, try to smooth that up before paint. So I was doing that grinding, and I don't like a grinding disc. I like the sanding disc. So I'm going to use this. Oh, that's so much smoother. Much better. So the deep scratches look like that when you take the paint off, and then I'm trying to buff it down where you can't buff it with a grinder. Trying to take it down where you can't see those scratches anymore. Yeah, that's kind of crazy, but I'm doing it. So that half is better. Still need to do that. This scratch on here, and oof, that's really bad. Getting better. I'm gonna sand it with 100 grit now, see what it looks like. So I just started sanding up on the back of the hydraulic tank too, as long as I was here. And I assume you can tell the difference where I've sanded and where I haven't. Well, I'm certainly not done. I'm still sanding on the back, but I put the lights in so I could move the loader if I wanted to, and I thought, well, that's right, I taped over this stuff. Might as well pull them off. Danger. Anytime you're around me. This is needing some attention. Drop the hood. Now I gotta crawl over there and do the hydraulic tank. I can't forget around there. Almost forgot that. Still got that. Getting close to being done sanding with the orange. Well, I haven't used a hammer yet today. Might as well take the 10-pounder after that step and see if I can get it to straighten out. Well, that's better. Ooh, must have came down this side after lunch. You missed the corner. See that? The corner? You missed it. I'll have to do that by hand. So I did this. Sanded a little bit on the side of the cab. You can see how bad it is in spots. I'm spraying a little on the bottom there. Work on the tank now. Well, I got that section painted. Going too slow. Now I'm going to do this section. Remember what that looks like, right? So far I've done this, that. It's getting kind of dark. I shouldn't say dark, but the sun is getting down. So I painted that half. Well, looky there. It's getting closer. Well, moving around to the last side. I still have to do the top, but top of the engine compartment or in the front of the engine compartment. But making progress. Hey, don't laugh. You see this? I'm gonna try and finish painting this today because it's above freezing today. I need another coat there, another coat on this half. And I gotta do this half and the top. I suppose the front of the engine compartment too. So you can see it's a little thin. Yep, I'm gonna try and paint this today, so I gotta sweep it off.
Fire Captain Tom says, thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Do it again.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.